What's up, guys? So, this one's a little different from my RC cars, but I recently got into Legos and I bought all the Fast and the Furious and some like vintage Lamborghini Countaches and put them all together, the smaller kits. But that Temu app, I tell you what, you can buy some crazy stuff on there. So, I bought this, which is 1,280 pieces, and as you can see from the layout, I mean, it's a lot. So, there's a ton of pieces, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. They're not as concise as like a Lego one, but they're pretty good. And what I like about them is this part where they do the one-to-ones like Lego does, so that you don't even have to count. It tells you what bag they're in, like, one, and then it tells you the parts that are in one, and then you can literally just kind of put the piece here and just measure it to make sure you're on the one, or you can just count them like, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, and you have the right one. They're not bad. One of them that I did was almost this big, and I don't know, the instructions weren't actually this clear. I'm actually really happy with this one. Like, everything is precise, and I love that they have, these where it tells you exactly what you're going to use so you don't confuse the parts. But we're going to go ahead and put this one together, and we'll see how long it takes. So 1,280 pieces, I'm thinking probably a couple days because I can't devote 10 hours to it. But my part comes in from my Nitro Fortec tomorrow, my rear belt. It says it actually was going to be here tonight before 9 o'clock, but I highly doubt that's going to happen. So I'm going to build that and finally start doing a video ripping that. But anyway, stay tuned to this, the Lego build, and I'll show you the finished product. And I'll do another video tomorrow of the ones that I did that are from China versus the actual legit Lego ones. So it's I think you'll dig it. And these are cheap. I think I paid 20 something dollars for this entire kit, whereas the last one at Walmart I saw for a huge kit was like almost 200 bucks. So we'll see. You guys let me know in the comments if you would. I guess when it's done, like what you think, and I'll tell you how easy it was and if there's any complications along the way. I'll do an update like quarter way through. I'll do 4 quarters. So other than that, all right, guys, I'll tune in tomorrow. Thanks.